Let's go. Hey yo, this here is a national warning for all y'all cats, man. I'ma take y'all back to the ciphers real quick. It's the left. Hey yo, my spoken word is fascinating the most. It's a holiday when I rap, so just call me the ghost. I'm the gentleman side of the gangster for really. I'm a peaceful dude, that's why I carry a 9 milli. Don't be silly, son, I'll embarrass your squadron. My words are heat-seeking, locking on moving targets. I rips on the daily. I make it look more of a bigger fool than Benzino, Data, and Slim Shady. I'm the mixture of Biggie, Malcolm, and Machiavelli. Shutting down shows by any means necessary. One and all guys is learned visually wide on whoever or wherever wetness resides. Go and decide and make it a wise choice. So I do like DLC and leave you without a voice. Rip out your larynx, Adam Zappa and all. You don't need a voice box to attempt to get your point across. Assassin, brass ass fashion, got gas. Right up on the road, you niggas I get that badass swinging. Tell whoever signs you resign, cause I ain't leaving nothing alive to resign. The sickest nigga you got in your clique, he's mine. Bring paramedics and anesthetic or he's time. Don't stop, you drop in front of the cop, keep firing. Black band over that bad, keep driving. Look out, Qaeda, this is Somalian street pirates. Telegrams, we ain't terrorists, we tyrants. Do this all the time, your belly a hype man. Who the fuck you think you scared wearing them tight pants? Your lifespan just might end in my hands. This a black band, so we don't fit. White man, see, I ain't stand ready for action, no mask. Just the 40-volt magnum, chrome racks. No plastic, one blast and that's it, closed casket. You just witnessed your own funeral, broke bastard, classic. That's a true definition of peace talk, man. Battle act, nigga. Talk of the 45. Let's go.